was looking for attention. He thought getting on a wrecking ball and swinging into action would turn some heads. It's turned my head, but it made me turn my head away. This is disgusting. Anyway, we got the full video, the full story. I'm Michael McCrudden. This is I.O. Brother! Now, I've always loved Hulk Hogan. He was great in the 80s, he was great in the 90s, the 2000s, I don't know, they had a reality television show, his family, I didn't really buy the daughter's acting. I'll forgive him for that. Well, it's the 2010s. Hulk Hogan, he's still alive, he still wants to, make money off his name, so he's got into the business of opening his own web hosting enterprise. And to bring some attention, they've made a viral video. Now, it's not the best viral video, that's for sure. Now, the web hosting service is called Hostmania, that's good. And the description below reads that Hulk Hogan is tired of web hosts who overcharge and underdeliver, so he's starting his own web hosting company, powered by 24-inch pythons, brother! Which is great, a good description. I'm glad they gave that description because the video has me scratching my head. Like, it doesn't add up, it doesn't make sense. Here we have some guy who kinda looks like Hulk Hogan, a beefier, balder, uglier version, and he's on the computer. Then some other dude's hanging upside down, eating crayons, and then Hulk Hogan just swings on in a thong on a wrecking ball. I get what they're doing, they're taking it from Miley Cyrus, but the whole thing just doesn't add up. Where did this wrecking ball come from? What did it solve? Why is he in a thong, and why did we have to get that ugly butt shot? The guy's 60 years old. Well, we want to know what you guys think of this video. Has Hulk Hogan gone off the deep end, or is there something to this? It's got me giggling, but I just think it's ridiculous. I want to know what you think of the Hulk Hogan video in the comments below.